In this video, we will take a look on how to activate the Smart Package Robot with its license information. After you have installed the Smart Package Robot, you find this item here on the desktop. I will open it, and this is what we get. Now, if I open the Smart Package Robot editor, which we find down here, the editor will appear, the icons will be drawn, and then what we see is here, help, about. So we see that this is already registered on me. So let's remove the registration, and for this we go into the Smart Package Robot folder, and here we have a key file. Here is it. So let me just delete it. So let's do it again. I start the Smart Package Robot editor. Then you get this message: cannot start without any key file, please contact your support. Okay, so we contacted the support, and let's say we got this key file, and then we have here the SPR folder. So it's just enough to take this key file and copy it here and just drop it on the SPR folder. That's all. Now I start the editor again. The editor comes up and he is just happy. You can see that we open the editor, and here at about we get again that this program is now licensed. So let me remove the license again, because now we are looking how to do it using a key phrase. So this is the key file. We'll delete it again. So now we are unlicensed. And we can test this quickly. So here is somewhere the editor possibly. Here is somewhere the editor. Here is it. I started. And again, cannot start without any key file. Please contact your support. So, fine. So now what we are going to do is we use a key phrase. Here, possibly you get a key phrase like this with email. And in this case, what you do is you take the key phrase and copy it to your clipboard. That's all. Now I open the robots folder again. And the point here is I will now open the Smart Package Robot editor for installations. Also this one as admin. Just open it. Possibly you get something from Windows here. Otherwise, the editor will open. And also in this case, let's see what we get. Here, help, about. You see, here this is completely registered and it works. So this is the second way to register the Smart Package Robot using a key phrase that you get, for example, with email. In this case, let's take a look into the Smart Package Robot folder. In this case, the Smart Package Robot will generate the key file. So now you can take the key file and copy it somewhere and keep it so that you also have a key file.